We're at 3200 Wyoming Street. We've pushed in from the yard clean out outside in the back. We're going to go through and pull out here. You can tell this is all Schedule 40 plastic. Pull through here. A little bit of water right here is where our repair was made, outside the house. Come back here, turns back into 6-inch clay. We're going to go ahead and push out to the MSD main now. Okay, we've pushed all the way out to the MSD main here. It's the main connection. Looks to be a manhole. A little dark, can't see there. We're going to go ahead and pull back now. That is definitely a manhole. Go ahead and pull out now. This is 6-inch clay pipe. Coming back through the yard in the back here. We pull back through the trap here. Right there is where the repair was made underneath the deck.